Congress President Sonia Gandhi accused the government of vindictiveness after she was served with an income tax notice in the National Herald case. Ms. Gandhi asserted that such a political witch hunting, she says, will only help the Congress come back and fight harder.
Going on the political offensive after an income tax notice to her party, Sonia Gandhi today broke her silence on the National Herald controversy, telling NDTV this kind of political vindictiveness will only help her and her party to come back to power faster. The income tax notice asked for the Congress why it should not pay tax for a loan it gave to a firm of the Gandhis called Young Indian.
जैसा कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने आज कहा, वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स या उसको विच हंट भी कह सकते हैं, जो देश देख रहा है उसका हश्र क्या होता है, राजनीतिक इतिहास हमको वो भी सिखाता है.
But top finance ministry sources countered, saying Young Indian is being used like a real estate company. Both Sonia and Rahul Gandhi have been summoned last month by Delhi court after BJP leader Subramanian Swamy alleged that they used the 90 crore loan to get control of properties. The crux of the case is this: the Congress owns Associated Journals, which in turn owns the National Herald. But 4 years ago, the party loaned 90 crore rupees to the Gandhi's firm Young Indian, which in turn used it to take control of the troubled National Herald. Top finance ministry sources added, unless the loan is reversed either by the Congress or the Gandhi's firm, it needs to face the consequences. The BJP on its part says there is no witch hunt.
Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, has always said that we are not into vindictive politics. Otherwise, Congress will have no place to hide. But the proceedings, as per law, what are going on, law will take its own course.
This is political vindictiveness, and this will only help us to come back to power faster, Sonia Gandhi told NDTV, clearly setting the stage for a political confrontation with the Narendra Modi government. The Narendra Modi government on its part explaining and saying that it's only gone by the rule book. Either way, the gloves are off. With camera person N. Ravi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.